can't believe it was only 10 minutes long.
Exactly. So how do you feel about your hair right now, the color and everything?
It's faded, it's dull, and the texture is very like dry and brittle.
I agree, you could definitely use a pick-me-up. We actually have something called Colorance Gloss Tones. It sits on only 10 minutes, and while it's on, it repairs your hair, takes away the frizz, adds a lot of shine, and overall your hair will look amazing.
It only takes 10 minutes?
Only 10 minutes.
All right.
Pro tip, make sure you spray Structure Equalizer spray to ensure even porosity and uptake of color.
Oh my goodness, it looks so good.
Do you love it?
Yes, I can't believe it. Feels so soft.
That was so much fun. I love the result. And I'm so happy that we now have blondes, reds, and browns, because now Gloss Tones is truly for everyone. If you want to see more, follow Goldwell Education Plus.